Conscious walking is exactly like a conscious meditation. When you are conscious of your activity, that means there is no loss of energy. When you are walking with awareness, when you are walking in full consciousness, your energy is completely focused on your activity, which is going to sustain the energy. This is one aspect of conscious walking. And when your energy is within you and within your energy zone, you will have full control of yourself. It helps self-control. It reduces anxieties, it reduces fears, it reduces all sorts of different varied energies, and it will be centered and focused. There are 3 steps to conscious walking. First and foremost is that your eyes should be within your energy field, which is your auric field. The science have proved that minimum 1 foot radius, everybody have their aura, minimum. Maximum can be anything, depending on the energy you are spreading through you. But if your eyes are focused 1 foot ahead of your feet, that means you are within your aura field. And when you walk with that energy, that means you're circulating your energy within your aura field. That means there's no loss of energy. When the eyes are looking out, the mind is also going outside. That means energy is lost. So in conscious walking, the first and foremost thing is that your eyes are focused on your feet, 1 foot ahead of your feet, number 1. Second, shoulder and spine should be erect. When you're walking, you should be fully conscious and aware. Third point is that if you would like to look out or look up, look up, and then you come back to your 1 foot away, and then you take a step forward. So these are the 3 basic steps that are detrimental for the right conscious walking. That while walking, never look outside, never look up, don't strain your neck, or don't try to exercise. Always focus on 1 foot ahead of your feet and keep walking, and let your aura field be fully contained by all your energies. So let it move in the way it should. Whatever thoughts happen to you, let it happen, let it come and go. It doesn't matter. What your thoughts are, it has no value. Let the thoughts come and go. Your focus is only on your eyes, 1 foot ahead of your feet. That's the only thing you need to concentrate. The rest, all the things will come together. And if you walk consciously for 30 minutes, it's almost as powerful as a meditation for 3 hours. So if you cannot sit and meditate for a long period of time, conscious walking for 30 minutes will compensate that level of energy. Because sitting and meditating also means your mind is stable with your activity. Usually what happens is mind wanders. So you can walk consciously and keep your mind steady on the activity and still gain the energy that you could otherwise gain through meditation. Wish you a great conscious walking.